You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Now, this is one of the most interesting words in English, and one of the most confusing ones, probably because it comes from French, so the spelling doesn't really make sense for English. So in French it is said as foyer, okay, foyer, and that's because those sounds don't really exist like this in English, that English language has had to invent, let's say, other pronunciations. So there are different ways of pronouncing it in English. Two ways, essentially. British English is said as foyer, 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 foyer. So that's kind of an interpretation of the word foyer from French. Foyer, foyer, with a stress on the first syllable. Now the second way of pronouncing it, which is more the American way, US pronunciation, foyer, foyer, foyer. So foyer or foyer from French, foyer. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.